Why your backyard should be koala friendly.
By Anastacia-Sky,
Ronin
and Mitchell.
Craig, save that thing in the water.
Oh, okie dokie. I knew I should have installed the fence. What? Shh. Oh, it's so cold, it's so cold. I wonder what it is. Oh, it's a koala. Ah, I nearly ripped my eyeballs out.
Okay, I'll come down and save it. I'm on the rope, help me.
I'll help. Shh, there you go. Okay, I'll help the koala. Ah, my spine. Oh, I can't walk. Oh, it hurts so bad. Okay, where's the koala? Over there. Maybe we should make our pool more koala friendly with a string with a bottle so it can float, so it can climb out. Sounds like a plan.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing. The last adjustments. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yep. Shh. He's a koala.